This is the Apple Vision Pro. Let's open it up. This box, first of all, is massive. Like, this is probably the biggest Apple box I've seen outside of the iMac. So we have the 2 tabs on the side over here. Let's pull that off. It's not coming off as clean because the box got a little bit wet as I was coming here. Fifth Avenue Apple Store was wild. We got to see Tim Cook. And here it is. Let's see. Oh, wow, this reveal. Whoa, this is beautiful. This is just like, the way they have it here, just like this, like, wow. It's not as heavy as everyone says it is. Like, I guess like on a face, it probably is a little bit heavy, but like, this is not bad at all. Wow, it's like, you got the nice cover on the front here, the solo knit loop on the back. This is super nice. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we have these 2 sections right here. Let's open up this side first. So it looks like, oh wow, this is like a cardboard book of how to use Apple Vision Pro and all of its like accessories. Like, this is literally like almost like a book. This is really nice. It's almost like probably gonna be a collector's edition one day. Let's see what else is in here. We have the dual loop band also. Like, some people are saying that it's actually a little bit easier to use and feels less heavy on your face if you use this loop instead of the solo loop. So this is right here. Okay, and we have the battery pack. Oh, this battery pack is actually pretty heavy. It's got a threaded cable too, so it's really easy to use. And it is pretty thick. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is like, this itself is like art. Like, it is so well made and so smooth. Like, this is a really nice battery pack actually. I kind of wish they made that for the iPhone. Comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable. We got the charging brick right here. And let's see what's on this side now. Ah, we have the new polishing cloth as well. And oh, this is really nice. This is actually, the one for the computers is actually a lot thicker, and this is actually a really nice one. It's really thin, and I believe it says, yeah, it says Apple Vision Pro right on it too, which is pretty cool. Let's see what else is here. So it also comes with an extra light seal too to, like, I think this is the more thicker one than what's on. It's really cool too because this is just magnetic also. It just magnetically attaches to your Apple Vision Pro. So now let's see the Vision Pro. Let me move some of these things away on the side. This is like, this is so well made. Like, it feels so soft. Like, this case is so nice, and wow, there it is. I can't wait to turn it on. So this was the unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro. Make sure you're following because I'm gonna be making a ton of content for this device. Like, I am so excited to show you all the features and everything that it can do. So make sure you're following.